Namaste Ishan.
Namaste Kuldeep Mammu.
We are going ahead with Bhagavad Gita, chapter 1, shlokas 13, 14 and 15. Okay?
Okay Mammu.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Tatas Shanghascha Bheryascha
Tatah Shankhascha Bheryascha
Panavanaka Gomukhaha.
Panavanaka Gomukhaha.
So, Nakara is different from Nakara. Nakara will be Pana, Pana,
Pana
Vanaka.
Manaka.
Okay. Panavanaka Gomukhaha.
Panavanaka Gomukhaha.
Very good. Uttamam. Sahasaivabhyahanyanta
Sahasaivabhyahanyanta
Sashabdastu mulo bhavat.
Sashabdastu mulo bhavat.
Once again. Tatas Shanghascha Bheryascha
Tatah Shankhascha Bheryascha
Panavanaka Gomukhaha.
Panavanaka Gomukhaha.
Sahasaivabhyahanyanta
Sahasaivabhyahanyanta
Sashabdastu mulo bhavat.
Sashabdastu mulo bhavat.
Uttamam. Now, 14th shloka. Tatashvetairhayair-yukte.
Tatah Shvetairhayair-yukte.
That Tatashvetair has to be heard. Tatashvetairhayair-yukte.
Tatah Shvetairhayair-yukte
Mahati syandane sthitau.
Mahati syandane sthitau
Madhavav pandavaschaiva.
Madhavav Pandavaschaiva
Divyau shankhau pradadhmatuhu.
Divyau Shankhau Pradadhmatuhu.
Okay, this pradadhmatuhu, pradadhmatuhu.
Pradadhmatuhu.
Very good. Tatashvetairhayair-yukte.
Tatah Shvetairhayair-yukte.
It has to be Tatashvetair
Tatah Shvetair
Hayair-yukte.
Hayair-yukte
Mahati syandane sthitau.
Mahati syandane sthitau
Madhavav pandavaschaiva.
Madhavav Pandavaschaiva
Divyau shankhau pradadhmatuhu.
Divyau Shankhau Pradadhmatuhu.
Uttamam. Now, next shloka, 15th shloka. Okay? Panchajanyam Hrishikeshah.
Panchajanyam Hrishikeshah
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 Devadattam Dhananjayah.
Devadattam Dhananjayah
Poundram dadhmau mahashankham.
Poundram Dadhmau Mahashankham
Bhimakarma vrikodarah.
Bhimakarma Vrikodarah
Panchajanyam Hrishikeshah
Panchajanyam Hrishikeshah
Devadattam Dhananjayah.
Devadattam Dhananjayah
Poundram dadhmau mahashankham.
Poundram Dadhmau Mahashankham
Bhimakarma vrikodarah.
Bhimakarma Vrikodarah.
Chanting Bhagavad Gita and little bit sleeping? No, not allowed. Okay? Okay, be fresh, be fresh, be fresh. Okay, so now we are done with 13, 14, 15. Now, all these three shlokas chanting together. Okay?
Okay, Mammu.
You are fresh now. Okay. Tatas Shankhascha Bheryascha Panavanaka Gomukhaha Sahasaivabhyahanyanta Sashabdastu mulo bhavat. Tatashvetairhayair-yukte महति स्यन्दने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदध्मतुः पाञ्चजन्यं हृषीकेशः देवदत्तं धनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रं दध्मौ महाशङ्खं भीमकर्मावृकोदरः. Now we are going to talk about Hrishikesha. I'm sure you must be knowing who Hrishikesha is. Who is Hrishikesha?
Hrishikesha is Krishna.
Hrishikesha is Krishna. Now, the word meaning of Hrishikesha is the lord of the senses. Indriyas. Say Indriyas.
Indriyas.
Indriyas means sense organs. What are the sense organs we have? Tell me.
Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin.
Okay, very good. With eyes, what do?
We see.
With ears?
We hear.
With nose?
We smell.
Okay. With tongue?
We taste.
We taste. Taste what?
Everything.
Everything. And with skin?
We feel and touch.
We feel and touch. Oh, so you know about sense organs. Now, these sense organs bring all the information from the outside world. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
But the problem is, it will bring something else too. It will bring desires. Desire means, you know it.
And desire means I want.
I want, right?
Yes, Mamu.
So the problem with us is, we see something and then Indriyas will communicate us that thing and then we will want it. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
So, the Indriyas will give us lot of information from the outside. Desires too, it will bring lot of chocolates from the outside world. These chocolates are harmful to us. Now let me tell you one very good example. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Mammu and Innu are going to a shop. Innu is seeing some chocolates there. Immediately Innu is saying, Mammu, I need that chocolate. Then Mammu will think, okay, one chocolate is okay. I'll get one chocolate for Innu. Then I'll buy one chocolate and give that to Innu. Innu will have it. After that, I've seen Innu will say sometimes, I want.
More.
I want more and more, right?
Yes, Mama.
Now tell me one thing. What happens if you have 50 chocolates at a time?
I'll get stomach pain.
You will get stomach pain, then germs in
Teeth.
your teeth, germs and stomach pain, all these things will happen, right?
Yes, Mama.
You know, like this world is giving us lots and lots of chocolates continuously. If this Hrishikesha, who is Hrishikesha? He is the lord of the senses. If this Hrishikesha is manifested inside us, what happens is, he will keep guiding us at that point of time. When you are going to have second chocolate or third chocolate, he will sit inside and tell you, Innu, one is enough. No 2 chocolates, no 3 chocolates and all that. Just one is enough. Okay? Just like this, he will keep guiding, sitting inside. Because, you already know that all these chocolates given by the outside world is harmful, no? You already knew that you will get stomach pain and all that. So who should guide us? Hrishikesha should guide us, no? If he is not guiding us, then what happens? We'll have all the chocolates which the world is giving us. The Maya Shakti is giving us lot of chocolates. and she will play, the Universal Mother will play with us. But the Rishikesha inside, if he is manifested, then what happens? We will get the best chocolate. What is the best chocolate? The best chocolate is inner happiness. Happiness inside is very important than happiness from all this outer stuff, from the chocolates. You just understand that much. You will get it when the right time comes. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
Right now, just know that all this outside stuff is giving you chocolates, desires. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
Okay. Now, regarding the chocolate, what will you do? You will have one chocolate. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
Let us stop now. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Let us pray.